find out the volume of a cuboid. Okay, shall we start? See, this is a sand and I am pouring this sand in this cuboidal shape. Now, from this you can find out its volume or how much sand, its capacity or how much sand it contains, right? Then, first of all, I am marking here up to this height the sand. Now, first of all, tell me this is the base, correct? And what is the shape of the base? This is a rectangular face, correct? Yesterday I have told you rectangular face. That means what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay, then length into breadth. First we shall find out length into breadth, and if we multiply with the height, you will get its volume, correct?
Yes.
Then what is the formula?
Chalk.
There is the chalk. Okay. Then volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth. That means what? It is area of the base. This is what? This is your area of the base. Area of the base into what? Into its height. And you know area of the base. Base is rectangular shape. That means rectangle formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth and into again height. Height means h, its height. Now we have to calculate its length, breadth and height. Who will do this? Who will measure properly its length? This is the length, correct? Which one is breadth? This one is breadth and this is the height, correct? Then measure length first of all. Come here and tell me what is its length. Who will come? From 1 centimeter. Huh? Five point nine. Near about 6, no? 6 little near about. And breadth is what? 6. Breadth is 2.5. Like 3. Is it 3? 3 centimeters. Okay. 3 into, now measure its height. What is its height? Tell me, come here. Its height at 8. Okay, 8 centimeter. Now multiply this. Huh? Multiply. Huh? 144. Correct. Huh? Now this is the volume of this cuboid, right? 144. Unit, can you tell me unit? All this you have measured in centimeter and length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter, height also in centimeter. That's why 3 times centimeter, that means centimeter cubic. Cubic centimeter is the unit of the volume of the cuboid. Now we have to verify with this measuring cylinder. Now I am pouring this sand in this cylinder. See, really is it near about 144? Okay. 1 This is 150.
150.
150. That means it will come near about 150. If we measure very minutely and correctly now, then no error will find out. Okay? Then both the readings are correct. Now you understood?